Hey there, today, we're diving deep into the world of JavaScript frameworks and how they handle the state of components. If you've ever wondered how React, Vue, Angular, Svelte, and Solid.js tackle this crucial aspect of web development, you're in the right place. So grab your favorite drink and let's get started. Let's kick things off with React, the heavyweight champion of the JavaScript world. React uses a unidirectional data flow model. In React, components have their own state, and they can communicate with one another using props. State management in React is typically handled through the useState hook, and for more complex scenarios, there's Redux or MobX. It allows for efficient rendering and re-rendering of components, keeping your app snappy. Now, let's talk about Vue, the framework that's all about ease and simplicity. Vue's state management revolves around the concept of data properties within components. Vue's reactivity system automatically tracks changes in data, so you don't have to worry about manually re-rendering components. It's like magic. And if you need global state management, Vue provides the Vuex library. Moving on to Angular, a framework known for its robustness. Angular components maintain their local state using TypeScript class properties. You can define variables within a component class and manipulate them as your component state. The magic of change detection keeps things in sync. Now, let's talk about Svelte. Svelte takes a completely different approach. It compiles components to highly efficient JavaScript code, removing the need for a virtual DOM. Svelte handles state directly within components, and it's incredibly lightweight and fast. If you need global state, Svelte Store has got you covered. And finally, let's explore Solid.js, the framework known for its reactivity and speed. Solid.js introduces reactive primitives to manage state efficiently. Solid.js ensures your app stays performant by re-rendering only what's necessary. No virtual DOM or complex setup required. It's a great choice for creating high-performance web applications. So, there you have it. We've taken a whirlwind tour of how JavaScript frameworks handle the state of components. Whether you prefer React's simplicity, Vue's ease, Angular's power, Svelte's efficiency, or Solid.js's speed, there's a framework for every taste and project size. And remember, just like the spider in the garden, these frameworks are just flexing their muscles in their unique ways. Stay curious, keep coding, and embrace the power of JavaScript. Before we go, let's have a bit of fun. Write your favorite framework in the comments below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Happy coding!